Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is the best curbside deals until the 23rd of November, which is Saturday. What a curbside deal is you're ordering the stuff through the Walgreens app, driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and it is that easy. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to shop in store with register rewards, which are those paper coupons and doing that sort of thing, you want to see what you're buying. I made a video in store yesterday and I recommend that you watch it and really listen to what I'm saying. All the information is in there. A lot of you get turned around or because of details that you're not hearing. Maybe watch the video twice, maybe like the video twice, but I really recommend the more that you really pay attention to the nuances and the details, becomes a lot easier to coupon over at Walgreens. And yes, it can be intimidating at first when things just don't work out, but if you just trust the process, it becomes a little bit easier. So these deals are in store. I will link this video at the very end if you wish to do them. Now, we have one more day left for the free 8x10 photo. I did this on 2 different store cards, and this booster, the paper one below, 5 back when you spend 15, it printed twice for me. So I was pretty excited about that. And so what you're going to do is go into the app in the photo section for prints and then type in the code Jolly 8x10 and it's for a free 8x10 photo, 1 per store card. They usually have them there pretty quickly, and this ends on the 19th. So if you haven't done it, go for it. And I would ask the cashier, because sometimes that photo department, that machine isn't working. I would maybe say, hey, can I just have this? I'm going to grab something else and pay for this at the front. And then at the front, if the machine is working, the Catalina machine, you'll get one of these boosters because it's been printing for most people, and it's just like our little Christmas surprise. A greedy thing to ask for you guys to like this video. Let's see if we can get this video up to 1,000 likes. Is it too crazy to ask for that? So like the video and let's see if we can get this one to 1,000 likes. Wouldn't that be great? Deal number 1. So for this one, we're going to be grabbing 4 bags of different sizes of the Swedish fish. This one is the 12-ounce bag, and they are 2 for $8. You know, if you have a kid that loves these, this would be perfect for those Christmas stockings, I think. And the smaller bags that are 8 ounces, and they are 2 for $6. So they are on some sort of promotion this week. Now, if you use the app Shopkick, there are some very generous rebates on this specific candy. For the larger bags here that are 12 ounces, you're getting $6.75 per bag. And then for the smaller ones, $6.25. So still quite fantastic. So here's the breakdown. 250 Shopkick points is $1. So if you do the increments of 2 of each, you're going to get back 2,600 points, which is basically $10.40. You will have to ask the cashier to process this through a regular register so you can get a receipt. You need a receipt to photograph it to Shopkick. No ifs, ands, or buts. So we're going to enter the code WAG10 for a little bit of extra savings. If you cannot get a receipt at your store for whatever reason, do this deal in store if this is your favorite candy. You just won't save the extra $1.40. So grabbing 2 of each, that's $14. Using the code WAG10, a little bit off for me. No tax on this. So I, in theory, can use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.60, photograph that to Shopkick for $10.40 back. So it makes each bag like 55 cents ish. And these are perfect little items to throw into stockings. I really think I must be in the Christmas mood because this next deal is kind of Christmassy again. We have this little box and it's kind of like holiday deodorant. So they're the smaller ones. They're not the big ones. I saw these in the store yesterday. I'm like, they look itty bitty, but to throw in a stocking, it's perfect. 2 of these Old Spice Christmas kits for $19.98. Well, we have this 7 off of 2, and guess what? It is in fact attaching to those Christmas ones. So in theory, like $7 off of 1, like yes, but it gets a little sweeter, guys. We have buy 2, get $4 back in Walgreens cash, and it's right below before you load the coupon. It's right there. So that is really fantastic. Hey guys, so we are going to throw in the code FLASH20 for an extra $2.60 off. Alternatively, if you can't get that to go, throw in the code WAG10. I'm not sure how long FLASH20 will be working, hopefully all week, but sometimes they take those away. So the overall total is $19.98, $2.60 melting off, tax $7 digital melting off. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you have that on your account, go for it. You'll pay $1.42 and you're getting back $4.19. It makes these roughly like $3-ish each, which is a very good deal. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 3. For this one, we're going to grab 2 of these larger Vitafusion gummies, and this is $150 per, so you're basically getting 300 gummies for $23.98. We have this, which is a crazy coupon. It's a 15 off of 2, so you're basically getting one of those like basically for free, which is fantastic. To get the math to balance for this basket, we're going to also throw in one of these Scott's toilet papers, only one. Load this store coupon, which is $1.25 off of 1. If you already used it, go into your coupons household folder. It should be populated at the top of that folder. $1.25 off, FLASH20 taking a big 75 cents off, and a $15 digital for the Vitafusion little critters, that one. $28.98, $2 off, $15 off at the manufacturer. So the total here is $12.16. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you might have it, pay $2.16, and you basically have vitamins for months. It's a very good deal. And some toilet paper. Okay, guys, so as we're getting really close to Thanksgiving, it's actually next week, can you believe that? The next couple deals will be food related. We're grabbing 6 boxes of the Cheez-Its for $13.47, and they are on a promotion of buy one, get one free. If you like to make beautiful like snack trays and stuff over the holiday season, like I think 6 boxes would probably cover it for you. Now, with the curbside pickup, you can use codes such as WAG10 for an extra $1.35 off, so that's not too shabby. $13.47, $1.35 off, so your total is $12.12. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash if you have it, and call this a very good deal. Again, especially if you do go through a lot of these, it's not the worst little deal. Okay, so this next deal, a little bit outside of the box. We are going to grab 5 bags of the Lay's potato chips. You can grab different flavors. I just went with the classic. I think there's barbecue, sour cream. So for 5 of them, it's exactly $15. We have this very generous coupon that is a 4 off of 5. Make sure you have it loaded. If you used it last week, I think Checo 51 also has one, so you'd have to apply for that. And then we're going to throw in one of these travel size Advils for $3.79. And if you live in a very small market, it might be $3.99. I figured that one out yesterday. This $3 digital is in fact attaching. There's a couple little Advil coupons that are attaching, but it makes it super cheap. And then just to show you this, Flash 16, WAG 10, they're working in concert for this one. And then $4 off 5 bags of Lay's chips, and then the $3 off for the Advil. Now just to show you this, the overall total is $18.79. $1.26 melting off with promotion codes and $7 off with manufacturer coupons. The total here is $10.75. If you wanted to use, say, $10 in Walgreens cash, if you have it, pay 75 cents. 5 bags of chips, that's pretty good for entertaining guests next week for Thanksgiving, I think. The last deal that we're looking at is deal number 6, and we're going to be grabbing 3 of the Canada Dry. A lot of you got really excited to see Canada Dry in the mix up here during my matchups video last Friday. I guess this is one beverage that isn't on sale a lot. So it's $11.99 for 3, and then we have this $1 off 3 digital coupon. So if you want to stock up on these drinks, I mean, by all means. And then just to show you, it's $15.59. It jumps up a lot more. Michigan has a thing with recycling cans, so I have to pay 10 cents per can. So that's why my total is a lot more. But after I get my recycling fees, it's like I'm paying $10.99 for the 3. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.